Ever slid into your car and thought, wow, these seats have seen some things? Well, today, that changes. Because in this video, we're counting down the very best car seat covers that can literally transform your interior from tired and torn to fresh, protected, and insanely comfortable. So if you're sick of fighting pet hair, coffee stains, cracked leather, or those mystery crumbs that just never go away, stick around. 6. CarPass, leather and 3D. This one is all about giving you that upgraded look on a budget with a mix of synthetic leather panels and 3D air mesh that makes your cabin feel a lot more upscale than basic cloth seats ever could. When you first put them on, you do get that new car vibe because the covers wrap over the seats and instantly hide old stains, fading, or small tears. It's the kind of transformation where you hop in and go, okay, this actually feels like a different car now. Functionally, the 3D air mesh sections help a bit with breathability, so you don't feel like you're sitting on a plastic couch in the summer. On longer drives, that slight airflow through the perforated areas keeps you from sticking to the seat, especially if you live in a hot or humid climate. And because the covers are designed as a universal fit for most sedans, SUVs, and trucks, they're a decent option if you want one set. You can move between vehicles if you ever switch cars. Now, here's where things get a little less perfect. These are universal covers, not custom fit, so you do have to temper your expectations. On some seats, the fit can look a bit loose or baggy around the edges, especially near the bottom cushion or side bolsters. You know when you pull a fitted sheet over a mattress that's just the wrong size? It's kind of that feeling. 5. Skechers men's memory foam seat covers. And yes, it's the same Skechers brand you know from shoes, which instantly tells you where their focus is: comfort. These covers combine leather accents with an air-cool mesh fabric top layer and memory foam padding underneath, so when you sit down, you can actually feel that cushy, contoured support hug your back and hips. For daily driving, especially if you do a lot of commuting, that memory foam really shines. It helps relieve some of the pressure points on longer trips, so after an hour or two behind the wheel, you're not shifting around constantly trying to get comfortable. The breathable mesh also helps regulate temperature a bit. It's noticeably cooler and less sticky than solid leather or vinyl, which is a huge plus in summer. And the design is aimed at front seats, making it a nice upgrade if you just want to improve the driver and passenger experience without redoing the whole cabin. Now, you know, it's not all perfect. Because of that thicker memory foam padding, the covers can sit a little high on some seats. If your car already has pretty generous bolstering, you might feel like you're perched slightly higher than usual, which can affect seating position and visibility until you get used to it. And as with most universal fit front seat covers, there can be small fitment quirks around certain seat shapes, particularly if you have very sporty or unusually shaped seats. 4. FH Group car seat covers. When you first pull them out of the box, they actually feel more premium than you'd expect at their price point. Plush, padded, and noticeably thicker than a lot of budget covers out there. Once installed, they genuinely change the entire vibe of an older interior, making a worn-out cabin feel cleaner, more coordinated, and way more modern. One of the big strengths here is how well they can fit a wide range of vehicles while still looking tailored. Owners have put these on older sedans and walked away feeling like the car just jumped forward a decade in terms of appearance. The way the covers wrap around the seat and back helps them look less like a temporary slipcover and more like an intentional, integrated part of the interior. And the color options are a definite bonus. You can match or contrast your existing interior and give the car a bit of personality. Comfort-wise, the padding is surprisingly soft and supportive. People talk about how the seats become a much nicer place to sit, especially if you're coming from thin factory cloth. The backing also often includes small, rubberized inlays, which help the covers stay put instead of sliding around every time you get in and out. That snug, grippy feel makes a big difference day to day. You sit down, and things just stay where they're supposed to be. Installation is straightforward but still feels secure. You stretch the cover over the seat, feed the straps through, and clip things together behind the seat back. Three, Coverado seat covers. These are designed as a full set to cover both front and rear rows, and when you pull them out of the box, they feel seriously substantial, stiff enough to stand on their own, thanks to multiple layers of padding and reinforcement. That structure helps them hold their shape and gives your seats a more sculpted, premium look. The material itself is a waterproof faux leather that manages to feel both tough and smooth against the skin. It's the kind of surface that's very forgiving if you've got kids, pets, or a messy lifestyle. Spills wipe right off, muddy paw prints don't sink in, and everyday abrasion from sliding in and out doesn't faze them easily. They're also compatible with heated or cooled seats, which is a big bonus, though the thickness of the material can slightly mute the intensity of those features. So the warmth still comes through, just not quite as strong as bare factory leather. Now, one thing to be ready for is installation. Because these covers are thicker and more structured, getting them on can be a bit of a process. They're designed as a universal fit, so they'll work with a wide range of vehicles, but achieving that clean, tailored look may require patience, especially in the back row where seat shapes vary a lot. Once in place, though, the snug fit really pays off in terms of appearance and stability. 2. Covercraft Carhartt SeatSaver. This is where rugged workwear meets your truck or SUV interior. If you know Carhartt, you already know the vibe. Heavy-duty duckweave fabric, triple-stitched seams, and that unmistakable tough, utility-focused look. These covers are custom patterned for specific vehicles, which means once you get them on, they hug the seats properly instead of looking loose or generic. The fabric is breathable, yet incredibly durable, built to handle dirt, dust, muddy boots, dog claws, tools, and pretty much anything else you throw at your seats. They're treated with Carhartt's Rain Defender water-repellent finish, so spills and moisture beat up on the surface rather than soaking in. For work trucks, hunting rigs, or family haulers that see serious abuse, that level of protection is a game changer. You're basically wrapping your factory seats in armor that still feels comfortable to sit on. Despite how tough they are, the covers are surprisingly practical to live with. They're machine washable and easy to remove and reinstall, which matters a lot if your vehicle is constantly getting dirty. Headrests and armrests are included where applicable, and bench-style seats can even get console covers, giving you full row coverage rather than just the main cushions. Once installed with the straps and seat pillows that help hold them in place, they stay put, even with frequent climbing in and out. The Carhartt branding and styling also add a certain cool factor. Signature colors, riveted pockets on the seat backs, and that iconic Carhartt look make your interior feel like an extension of your workwear. Number 1. Cat MeshFlex seat covers. This set hits a sweet balance of durability, comfort, and everyday practicality that just works for a huge range of drivers. From the moment you touch them, you can tell they're built for real use. These aren't flimsy covers that are going to stretch out and sag after a few weeks. The core of the design is the breathable honeycomb mesh across the back and seat, which provides enhanced ventilation and keeps you cooler and more comfortable, especially on longer drives or in warm climates. That airflow makes a noticeable difference if you're stepping into a car that's been sitting in the sun. Instead of that sticky, everything is hot feeling, you get a seat surface that dissipates heat faster and feels more forgiving. Protection-wise, these covers are designed to handle daily wear and tear, from work commutes to weekend errands, while also instantly refreshing the look of worn or stained factory seats. The form-fitting design uses built-in anchor bars, so the covers conform to the contours of your seats, giving you a snug, stable fit. Once properly installed, they don't slide around when you get in, and they don't bunch up under you when you move. It's the kind of fit that makes them feel a lot more expensive than they actually are. Safety is another big plus. The side stitching is specifically engineered to be airbag compatible, releasing properly if the side airbags deploy so they don't interfere with your car's built-in safety systems. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.